You're probably ruining your shoulders every time you grab that pull-up bar. And the worst part? You think you're training hard, but really, you're training wrong. Today, I'll show you the 3 simple fixes that stop pain, build strength, and actually make you better at pull-ups without wrecking your joints. Step 1. Stop the dead hang trap. Most people jump up, hang like a limp noodle, then yank themselves up. That's not strength. That's asking for shoulder surgery. Here's the truth drop. Your shoulder blades are supposed to set first. Think of it like locking your car doors before driving. Scapula down and back, then pull. It protects your joints and engages the muscles that actually grow. Step 2. Quit kipping like a fish out of water. Yeah, you saw it on TikTok, flailing your legs like you're being electrocuted. But wait, you're not doing cardio, you're building muscle. Every kick, every swing is just stealing gains. Instead, imagine you're in a tight phone booth. No swinging, no dancing, just pure vertical strength. If you can't pull clean reps yet, no shame. Use a band, do negatives or rows, but don't cheat with momentum. Step 3. Fix your grip before it fixes you. Another classic mistake, gripping the bar like you're trying to crush walnuts. Relax, Hulk. That death grip is murdering your forearms and choking your endurance. Here's the fix. Hook with your fingers, not your palms. Think hanging from hooks, not squeezing a stress ball. It'll save your elbows and actually let you do more reps. Bonus tip, switch grips, overhand, neutral, underhand. Your joints will thank you and your back will grow faster. Step 4, stop cutting the range. Half reps, everyone does them. Pull halfway, drop halfway, and then wonder why your lats look like sad pancakes. Full range, chin above the bar, elbows locked at the bottom with that scapular set. Yes, it's harder, that's the point. Half reps equals half results. If you want to build real strength without destroying your shoulders, start here. Subscribe for more no BS training fixes